salad sandwich, I'm giving it a bit of a spruce up. So instead of adding some ham and some cheese to it, what I'm going to be making is a cauliflower and olive dip sandwich. This combination is so good. So what I've got here is a little bit of cauliflower florets. I've steamed them until they're just al dente and finally chopped them and placed them into a bowl. To this, I'm going to add the olive dip. Now this is green olive dip. It has a really lovely deep flavour. Fantastic as a dip, but a really, really delicious filling for a sandwich. So we're going to add a generous amount. In fact, let's just add the whole lot to this mixture and combine that together with some nuts. I'm using some toasted walnuts for some extra crunch and give that a really good mix. You don't even need to season this with salt or pepper because it's been perfectly seasoned. And now to form our sandwich, we've got some bread here, lovely grainy bread. If you like, use some gluten-free bread and make this a gluten-free option. We'll just spread this over the bread. Be quite generous with this filling that tastes so good. And then this is followed by all the classics, some tomato. Whenever you're making a sandwich like this, season the tomato, it just tastes so much better. A little pepper. Some beetroot, just a few slices. Candy's completely fine for this. To that, I'll add some carrot, spread that out. And don't forget the iceberg lettuce. I'm just going to finely shred this. So just roll it up. And then with a sharp knife, just run through it. Gotta have shredded lettuce in a salad sandwich. Sprinkle that on top. See that it's growing in height, which is exactly what you want for a salad sandwich. Top goes on, squish that together so all of those flavors mingle. And that right there is a delightful salad sandwich using cauliflower and olive dip. That combination together is just so delicious. Try it next time you want to make a classic salad sandwich.